Hey guys, this is Libby from Profit Auto Interiors. If you notice on the table here, we've got a set of hog rings and pliers. They come in a kit. Most of the time it's free with your kit. This is how you have to work it. You have to pull the hog rings away. Very time consuming. And then you take the pliers and you have to hold them and put your hog ring in. There's very little grooves there to hold the hog ring. And then you are able to put them over your frame and squeeze tight, and it'll hold your seat cover on your frame. Now these come free with a kit. Once you use a set of them, you're going to realize that you wish that you had purchased this kit that's $30.95. With this kit, this is what your hog ring looks like. These are your pliers. You open your pliers up, put your hog ring in. It'll hold it. It's spring loaded, and you can attach your seat cover to your frame. Much easier. It'll cut about probably 2 hours of your time off for your install. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, to use this kit instead of this one. This is $30.95. You can find it on my website at profitautointeriors.com. Thank you guys. Have a good day.